bunch of old stuff, don't I? Jeez. What's up?
Put my headlights in my truck.
Oh, you're a padiddle, huh?
Yeah. I don't want to be.
Okay. Suppose we ought to turn on our wipers.
We got a dog in the way. There we go. Hey!
I think we got some tuning to do.
How come it was jerking them pipes and you...
I think the carburetor is the primary circuit must be plugged up a little bit because it's as soon as the secondary is open, it comes to life.
How do you like it?
I like it pretty good. Let's fix this carburetor.
Alright.
Let's see if this one'll start. I started this last weekend. It's like 47 degrees. It's freezing out here. Oh, look at there. Cranked right up.
Wait. You only got smoke coming. Kills him and it makes it worse. Yeah, Frankie, come here.
Been trying to keep it warm. Looks like I've succeeded. I just used a old piston ring, and I've got some cast iron flux there. Works okay, I think. Oh, almost tripped.
Huh?
thing was any longer, it wouldn't fit. Well, the test drive went good in a way. Brakes worked much better. It ran good. But she's puking oil again. Doggone it. And it appears to be coming from the rear main seal, which is what was wrong with it the last time, and the time before that, and the time before that. So, I don't know why it keeps eating up rear main seals, but I guess we better figure it out. Darn, I don't want to work on that thing again. What you got there?
A slithery snail.
Looks pretty neat.
Might have to attach him to something. I messed up on the welds pretty bad here because you were nowhere to be found and my helmet wasn't working right and I couldn't see a thing.
Well, you can probably weld better than me.
But it got a little bit better once my helmet got fixed.
Mm-hmm. Looks pretty cool. Here's a truck I picked up yesterday. Got a little crusty, needs a cab corner. Bottom of the door there. But she ain't too bad. I got it cheap. So cheap. I could probably scrap it and make a little more money. But you can't scrap these things. They don't make them anymore. It's a short bed. What are you yapping at, you little mongrel? No AC, no power brakes, no power steering, nothing. What? It'll make a good little hot rod truck. It's midnight and I'm off to work. That's why I said earlier, this is terrible news, the snow. If it snows, I gotta work. Look at that. Maybe an inch. Yeah. I got a trick that always works for this girl to make her smile. Look at that long face. You're not supposed to smile yet. Try again. I got a trick that always works for this girl. Look at that long face. All I gotta do is snap my fingers and she'll smile. Watch this. So what do you think we should do for a motor if this one's no good? Rebuild this one?
I think we should put a new faster one in it.
A 6-cylinder is not fast enough?
I don't know.
We got a 283 in there.
I think we would probably do the 283.
How about a 327?
I don't know what to do.
We got a 327 in there too. How about a 355?
Billions of them.
Not billions. Got a couple. We got a 355 we could try. Some aluminum heads.
I don't know what to do.
Big cam.
What do you think we should do?
Yeah, probably 283. How's it feel with the seat?
Feels awesome. It's really comfortable.
Pretend like you're shifting that 3-speed.
I don't know how to shift it.
Let me show you. Only old folks know about this stuff. Uh-oh, you dropped your horn button. If I remember right, that's first. Kind of a sticky thing. That's reverse. Second. Third. I didn't look to be a professional, did I? And here's the concept exhaust. You like the stacks, girl?
Yeah.
You do? Maybe we'll get some dingers to put on top there.
What are those?
Those things that go tap, 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 tap. There, we got out of some of that dust. Sounds like there might be some loose items on this automobile. What do you think, Mrs. Mrhevyshevy?
I think so.
I'm at it again with the wire wheel. Looking good, ain't I? This is a nasty mess. Sucking dirt. But anyway, found some stuff. Check it out. Got a little temporary wiring job there. The muffler stopped there. We're gonna have to do something about that. And that little rubbing noise you hear is the I think tire rubbing on the fender here. Fender's a little tweaked right there. Straighten that out. Might have to put smaller tires on it. But let's interview her and see what she says. What do you think about it?
It drives a lot different than it did.
Better or worse?
You just gotta get used to it, I guess. It sounds good.
I see you spin the tires when you took off first time.
I had cans falling all over. I heard squealing and stuff falling off the truck.
When you're in a rush, these things will slide. Got my little crowbar here. Use it for pulling roofing nails and such. She's a no-go that way.